Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can remove edge panel and also how you can customize edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. See here, if you swipe on the right side near volume up down button, if you swipe from right side to left, it will show some of the shortcuts. Okay, this is called edge panel. Okay, if you want to hide this edge panel, yes, you can do it. What you do is just go to the settings in your phone, then go to display, then go to edge panels and just turn off this button. Now it will not be popped out if you swipe up, swipe side here. Okay, see here, if you swipe from right side to left, it's not showing. Edge panel is now removed. Suppose if you want to use edge panel, really it is really useful for some time. For example, if you want to quickly use some of the particular app, yes, you can just swipe here and you can use it. Okay, so if you want to customize it, yes, you can do it. Go to the settings in your phone and go to display, then go to edge panels, just turn on edge panel, and now go to the edge panel here, and lot of options are available here. Amazon store, Galaxy store, calculator. If you click, it will directly open. This is calculator. So here, if you want to use your desired app, yes, here you can do it. Click on this button, and here you can search. These are all the total apps are showing here. If you want to edit, just click on edit symbol here, and here you can include app. For example, if you want to use OneXpert, yes, you can drag and drop here and it will be added. If you want to use Acrobat Reader, yes, see here, it is added. Okay, I track OneXpert now. Click and hold, then track. Okay, then I use Bixby. So in this way you can add. If you want to remove, just click on minus symbol here and it will be removed. I have removed YouTube. Now I want to remove Google Chrome. I want to remove this one. I want to remove this one. So in this way also you can remove. Okay, now the selected apps will be showing here. Okay, so in this way also you can customize edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.